Hey everyone, Kerry Bird here, Director of Marketing Technologies for South State Carolinas. I want to do a very quick tutorial today to show you about the Facebook Creator Studio. This tool is invaluable now. Moving forward, Facebook is pretty much making it almost mandatory for you to do your Facebook post through the Creator Studio. What we're going to do is walk you through scheduling a post in advance. You're no longer allowed to do that right on the Facebook page. You have to go into the Creator Studio and do your post and then pick the date and time in the future that you want to put that post out there. So just follow along. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop those in the comments below and I will get right back to you. Thank you. All right, everyone. Before I take you into the Creator Studio, I want to just kind of reiterate what the normal way of posting and scheduling was on Facebook. So normally you would just go to the top of your page, begin to write your post, and there used to be a feature here, when did you want to post it? Now schedule, the word schedule used to be an option here right off of your Facebook page. You are no longer permitted to schedule your post in advance from the page. What Facebook wants you to do is to come up here to the top in your admin bar and click Creator Studio. That will take you over to the business account for the Creator Studio for the page you are managing. At that point, everything revolves around starting at the top. This is where you would create your post. We want to go ahead and click that. At that point, a menu will come up with all of the different types of content that Facebook lets you put out here on the Creator Studio. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my text that I've prepared in advance. It does grab the preview for a link that's actually in my write-up. I don't want to do that. I actually want to put a custom photo that I have created. So I'm going to go to my desktop, grab that photo. It'll load that up. And at this point, my post content is complete. Now, if I wanted to immediately post that to my Facebook page, I could do that right here. But if you do want to post immediately, you can just post that from your Facebook page rather than having to come into the Creator Studio. However, I want this to launch at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, December 4th on Wednesday. And this is where the schedule feature is now permitted. So I'm going to schedule that. It's going to ask me when I want to schedule it, and it will be tomorrow morning. I do tend to do most of my morning post at 8 a.m. And I'm going to go ahead and click schedule. Give Facebook a second to go ahead and confirm that that is there. It's in the content library. Now, I have seen this take a second or two to update, and sure enough, it is not updated yet. Come back over to content library. And I've noticed this takes a second or two to show up in the scheduled. Sometimes a refresh is necessary. And sure enough, there it is. So the post is in our scheduled queue. It tells us when that will launch, and it is successfully scheduled. So that's it, guys. Normally on a Saturday or Sunday when I have a few hours in the evening, I will set aside an hour, queue up several posts for the remainder of the week. If it's an important holiday, just to make sure I don't miss it, I will go ahead and queue that up. For example, Christmas would be an ideal one to have it in advance to do a post on Christmas Eve, Christmas morning, just so you don't miss that and get busy in the holiday season. So if you have any questions on the Creator Studio and posting and scheduling in advance, go ahead and leave a comment here in the public comment section, and I'll be glad to get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, guys, have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year.